guys, welcome back to Aire Newstead. It's been a busy few months getting the dig finished and the basement 3 slab in. Steel fixers are just finishing up with the final 4 to be done tomorrow. Precast columns have been stood with the last few to go in early next week. From there, we'll get the basement 2 and 1 slabs poured in February and March, and April just after Easter. From there, we'll get into the typical slabs with top out targeted for later in the year. Stay tuned, it's going to be a good one.